The Jordanian boyfriend of American mother of one, Jamey Carney, will be detained in his native country until authorities there are briefed in detail about the status of the Garda investigation into her death. Ahmad Al-Saqar was detained last week by Jordan's Directorate of Public Security. His detention came just over 24 hours after he had arrived back in Jordan. Mr. Al-Saqar had left Ireland in the hours after the death of his girlfriend, Jamey Carney. The mother of one was originally from New York in the United States. However, she had been living in Killarney, County Kerry with her teenage daughter since May 2021. Gardaí believe that Miss Carney was fatally assaulted around 11 p.m. on the evening of July the 6th in the bedroom of her home at Homelands, just off the Muckross Road in Killarney. Her body wasn't discovered until 1:23 p.m. the following day, July the 7th. In the early hours of July the 7th, Mr. Al-Saqar got a bus from Killarney to Dublin. He then boarded a flight at Dublin Airport for Istanbul in Turkey. On arrival in Turkey, he immediately made his way back to his native country. Jordanian authorities said that they were made aware that one of their nationals was a person of interest in a homicide investigation in Ireland. Their security services located the individual and he was detained. He can now be detained for up to 15 days before he must appear before a Jordanian judge. The Irish Independent has learned that the Jordanian authorities are expected to keep this individual in detention until they receive further information from the Gardaí. No request for his detention was issued by the Irish authorities, and Gardaí have indicated that it will be some time before the case file is completed and submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions, possibly in early September. No warrant can be issued in Ireland until the DPP receives and examines the Garda case file. It is expected that Gardaí will provide details to the Jordanian authorities about the status of the murder investigation into Miss Carney's death. The family of Mr. Al-Saqar have warned that a person is innocent until proven guilty, and have also warned commentators about potentially defamatory comments about him. Mr. Al-Saqar is 28 years old and has spent time in Turkey, France and the UK before arriving in Ireland in 2024. He had commenced a relationship with Miss Carney a number of months ago after they met at a pro-Palestinian rally in Kerry. Miss Carney was originally from Westchester County, up the Hudson Valley and north of New York City. Her requiem mass was staged in Killarney last Wednesday, as the community and the extended Carney family comforted her 13-year-old daughter, Michaela.